So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how you can enable reachability so you can be able to reach the top of the screen of your iPhone with just one hand. So if you have one of the big iPhones and of course you cannot reach the top of the phone, you cannot touch those apps like the calendar or clock or weather apps, what you can do is when you enable reachability, simply swipe like this and it brings the top of the screen down and you can reach those apps with one hand. Okay, so just swipe down like that. It brings the top part of the screen into a reachable distance so you can be able to tap on it. So I'll be showing you how to enable this feature on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for previous iPhone models. So what you need to do is go to settings. Just go back all the way to the main settings page. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that. And then under accessibility, tap on touch. And what you need to find is reachability under touch. Okay, so reachability is there. Mine is enabled. So if yours is disabled, then make sure you tap on that toggle button to enable reachability. And from now on, all you have to do is swipe down to bring the top of the screen down so you can be able to reach with one hand. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.